We're here at Accessories International with a C43 AMG Mercedes-Benz. This is a 2017 model. We're about to take out the original Mercedes screen and replace it with our DMP Android Command Screen. This screen is a 12.3-inch screen that packs all of the latest features. It has our newest 685 processor that was released about 2 months ago. It's got all of the capabilities to download apps, listen to music, use all of your original Mercedes-Benz features, and then you pack all of the new Android features again, play games, movies, download stuff. You got it all in this new screen. We're going to show you how to take it out of the car really quick, replace it with the new DMP screen. Let's get right to it. Start by removing the speaker cover with pry tools and undo the retaining screws. Pull out the radio and free it from place. Remove the center console storage latch from place. Then pull up the center console. Undo the retaining screws holding the radio in place and pull it out. Undo the main harness from the back of the radio and plug in the new Android harness. Run the connections up through the hole on the top to plug in the radio. Plug in the radio and test the functions. Then reinstall the console and enjoy your new 12.3-inch Android Command Screen. This new screen allows for the use of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, the ability to stream movies, download apps, and much more, all while still retaining full control of your original Mercedes features, such as your steering wheel controls, your command knob, your rear view camera, and even your factory Mercedes interface to tweak settings over time. Here at Accessories International, we're based in the United States out of Miami, Florida. We carry the full lineup of screens, we do the installations, provide the support, and even give periodic update files and boot logos as they're released to keep your screen up to date on the newest and best tech offered on the market. The C43 install is fully plug and play. For a more detailed and full installation video, make sure to check the link in our description to find the install for your C43. Thanks again for tuning in. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and I'd like to thank you for tuning into our video today. We're a family-owned business that was established in 1998 out of Miami, Florida. If you have any questions on the product review that you've just seen, feel free to give us a call at 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning in.